Hello and welcome back to Ledford. I am Serein, half of Ledford, and today's exercise is going to be a booty burning, sculpting, peach pretty exercise routine. You can do this 3 times, or you can incorporate it with your existing leg day or booty day at the gym. We create exercises that are easy to do at home, easy to follow, and quick, because we all know how busy you are. You might have a little one taking a nap and trying to squeeze in your booty workout. This is the perfect one for you. Make sure you listen to my cues as I show you guys the exercises. Today's workout isn't timed, it's reps. So we're gonna do 20 reps of most all exercises and then repeat the entire series 3 times for a full workout. What I did after repeating this 3 times was I went to the cable machine and did leg kickbacks, and then I also went to the Smith machine doing elevated calf raises to get my full leg day. I don't work my quads very much because I have overactive quads, and a lot of the times during my HIIT training and my cardio days, I end up working my quads, and that's all I really need right now. Make sure you listen to my cues throughout the exercises to get the maximal effect and get the most for your time. Here we go. Before moving into the actual exercises, we want to warm up our glutes. So you can do any glute activating exercises for 1 minute, your choice. I'm doing side squats. So you're just stepping out and squatting, and because of my space, I'm just doing 2 each side and then switching sides. Now you can also put a resistance band around your thighs to intensify the exercise, and you just want to make sure when you're doing this that you're not overextending your back or arching it or creating a weird dip. I tend to do that, so you can see I don't look like I'm actually squatting that low because this is the most I can do without engaging my overactive quads. Now we're just going to keep doing this, and if it's a jump squat that you want to do, or just standing squats, or even up against a wall holding a squat leaning against the wall, whatever your choice, you just want to activate those glutes. Make sure you're working the glutes specifically so that the rest of the exercises are going to be targeted and your glutes are engaged. Now the first exercise is a butterfly hip thrust. You'll have the soles of your feet together and you're going to use your glutes and squeeze them up, knees out as far as you can comfortably. This is really going to target that outer glute. Don't raise your pelvis too high. You want to make sure your upper back is still connected and that all of the work is being done with your glutes. Come on, squeeze it and really squeeze and hold at the top. Moving right along, we're doing donkey kickbacks. You can add a weight behind your knee, or you can add ankle weights if you want a little more challenge. When I do these at the gym, I use a 10-pound dumbbell behind my knee. Now you want to keep your leg at a 90-degree angle and focus on your flexed heel kicking up towards the ceiling. This will really target your booty, and you're going to want to do 20 on each side. Sometimes slower is better, and you can also use a resistance band around your knee and wrapping around your working foot. Whatever you have around the house, if you need to intensify, always add weight or resistance, and go ahead and switch sides when you're done with 20 and move on to the other side. Really squeeze that booty, having proper form, engaging your core, stabilizing your back, and focusing on the muscles that we're working will really make each exercise more effective. And the bonus part is if you have lower back issues, working your glutes will actually strengthen your lower back. Of course, we also want to engage our core and strengthen our core as well for overall stabilization, but the booty is often overlooked for back strength and eliminating back weaknesses, which then lead to back injuries and back pain. So if you sit at a desk, drive a lot, this is a great workout for you. Right along to the next exercise, side leg lifts. You're gonna wanna lay on one side of your body, flex your working leg, really feel the energy coming out through your heels, and lift your leg up and down. You can add a resistance band if you would like, or ankle weights once again, but if you're really focusing on shooting energy through the back of your leg from your glutes all the way through your heels, this should be enough, and you can always up the reps if you need to as well. I'm recommending starting with 20 on each side, and this will really target and lengthen your legs, the back of your legs, and the side booty. So you can always add a weight, like I mentioned, or resistance if you feel like you need more. I always like to try this out and then of course intensify with more exercises at the gym, or if you want to add this to an existing workout, this is a great in addition to if you already have a routine going for you. But you've got this, really focus on the muscles that you're working, make sure you're engaging your core, stabilizing your body by making sure that belly button is going towards your spine, and lengthening your legs. Make sure that you are also breathing, and just think, we're almost done, guys. This is almost done with round 1. And the final exercise we're gonna move into is going to be frog kickbacks. Now you're gonna get on your stomach, keep your entire upper body connected to the ground, including your pelvis, and then put your soles of your feet together, and you're gonna lift everything from your knees up. You wanna kind of kick back. Now this is incredibly challenging because I'm very weak on my upper booty area, but it's also very important for back health, and also really important to get that rounded, lifted booty effect. So you're gonna do 20 of these. These are really hard. You can see I'm barely lifting up if I'm doing this properly, but it's so good. Definitely try this. You've almost got it, and we're done. Congratulations, you completed round 1. You wanna repeat these exercises 3 times total. This is going to be a perfect booty day. It's really gonna sculpt your peach, really gonna lift and perk up your booty. As always, Chris and I wanna create sustainable, realistic fitness goals. So make sure you join us on our Facebook page and Facebook group, which is completely free to join. We're there to help motivate and inspire you to help you reach your fitness and health goals. Chris and I are well into our 30s, he's almost 40, and we just wanted to create a space here that was all encompassing for realistic and sustainable fitness. Don't forget to check out some of the other workouts. This booty workout pairs beautifully with the lower ab workout or one of our other full body HIIT days. Till next time, have a beautiful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye.